Namaste everyone. So today we will be learning how to multiply polynomials in algebraic expression. As in your earlier classes, you are familiar with the exponent rule. So let me start with the exponent rule. So if I write x square multiply with x to the power 5, so what will be the result? Now you see, according to the exponent rule, if the base are same and there is a multiplication sign between this, then what will be doing? The base, we will write the base as x and this power will be added, 2 plus 5. Since multiplication is there and the base are same, so the powers will be added, so 2 plus 5, so the answer will be x to the power 7. Now this rule, this is the rule of exponent, will be using while we are multiplying the polynomials. Now we will be learning one by one how to multiply polynomial with a polynomial, then how we will be multiplying polynomial with binomial, how to multiply polynomial that monomial with trinomial. So this is an example of multiplying monomial with monomial. As you can see, x square, this is a single term, okay, so this is monomial, okay, and this is also a monomial, sorry, this is also a monomial. So these two monomials, you have seen how I have multiplied. So the base will be same and what will happen, the power will be added. Now if, let us take one more example, this is one, number 2. If the question is like this, 3x to the power 3 multiply with 4x to the power, suppose it is 5, so what will be the answer? Now you see, so this is what, this is the coefficient, as you are familiar. So the number which is associated with the variables, you know, this is here, x is the variable, okay. So the number that is associated with variable, it is called coefficient, okay. So again, this x is the variable, okay, this x is the variable and this 4 is the coefficient. Now the rule says that we have to multiply the coefficients, okay. So 3 into 4, so 3 into 4, since all these are multiplied, you see 3x cube means 3 into x cube, okay, this all, here no sign is there, that means multiplication sign is there. 4 x to the 5, that means 4 is multiplied with this x to the 5, again 3 is multiplied with x to the 5. So all, you see, all these operations are multiplication operations. So what you have to do, you have to multiply this 3 into 4, okay, then according, you have to use the exponent rule, so it will be x, okay. Now since the base are same, power will be added, so we will be writing 3 plus 5, so what will be the answer? 3 into 4, it is 12 and it will be x to the power 8, so this is the answer. In this way we will be multiplying monomial with monomial, okay. Now let us go through how to multiply monomial with binomial, okay. So multiplication of monomial with binomial. So now suppose let us take x, 2x to the power 3 multiply with, suppose let us take here 2x plus 3x to the power 3. So now you can see this is a monomial and this expression is binomial, since there are two terms here, this is one term, this is the second term, so this is a binomial. A binomial consists of two terms. Now how to multiply this? Again I am saying, you are familiar with distributive property, Okay, so we will be using here distributive property, and you know what is distributive. Suppose a into b plus c, so this is distributive property under addition. So how we will be doing here? So it will be a into b, then plus is there, we will write here plus, then we will write a into c, so this is the property we will be using here. Okay, now let us see how to do this. So first 2x cube will be multiplied with this twice x. Okay, so 2x cube multiply with 2x, then you give plus sign because plus sign is here. Again 2x cube multiply with 3x square into 3x cube. So 2x cube multiply with 3x cube. Now you proceed. So at first what we will do, we will multiply the coefficient. So 2 into 2 it is 4. Now you can write directly. Now use the exponent rule because here x cube is there, here x is there. See, only x is there, that means the power is nothing but 1 is there. We are not writing 1, so only simply we are writing x. So the base are same, x is the base. Now multiplication sign is there, so the power will be added. So 3 plus 1, it will be 4. Okay, then here plus is there, so you write plus sign. Again you multiply this coefficient. So 2 into 3, it is 6. Now you see the your base is x in both the cases, so you will be writing x. Use the exponent rule. So here power is 3, again here power is 3. So 3 plus 3, it will be 6. So this is the answer. 4x to the power 4 plus 6x to the power 6. So in this way we can multiply monomial with binomial. Now let us go how you can multiply again monomial with trinomial. So monomial with trinomial. Trinomial means there will be 3 terms. So monomial it is 2x, it is 2x square. So let us take one monomial, it is multiplied with 3 terms. Let us take 6x plus, okay, 2x. Let us take 6x square 2x minus 6. Suppose let me take, so this is a constant because no variable is there. So this is a constant minus 6. Now how can we multiply this? Okay, the same rule. So 2x square will be multiplied with this. Again this process will be repeated. So 2x square, okay, it is multiplied with 6x square. Now see, this is plus here. So and this term itself a plus because no sign is there, so this is means plus, and this is also plus. So plus and plus, it will be plus. So right here plus 2x square. 2x square again it will be multiplied with 2x. Now here what sign we will give? This is plus, this is minus. So plus and minus, what is minus? Plus and minus minus. So write minus. Now 2x square multiply with 6. Okay, so now you just proceed the calculation. 6 into 2, it will be 12, and here variable is x, so write x. Power is 2 and here is 2. So since multiplication is there, we have to add the power. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Similarly do like this. 2 into 2, it is 4, x to the power 3, because 2 here nothing is there, 2 plus 1 it is 3, then minus 6 to the, it is 12. So here no variable is there, so no need to consider, only x square is there, so write here x square. So this is the answer, 12x to the 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square. So in this way we will be multiplying monomial with trinomial. So today up to this much. So I will be giving some questions in the WhatsApp group. You try at your home. If you find any difficulties, just you give me a message. in my WhatsApp number. So that's all. Thank you.